Today, 12th question. If the ratio of the base of right circular cylinder is halved keeping the same height, then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to the volume of original cylinder is dash. This is the question. Now solution. Solution is volume of new cylinder. Volume of new cylinder by volume of old cylinder. Volume of old cylinder equal to pi r squared h pi r squared h divided by pi r squared small h, old small r and new capital R. So next equal to r squared by r squared. This is the formula. Now r squared by r squared equal to r by 2 the whole square divided by r square equal to r squared by r by 2 the whole square r by 2 the whole square and whole divided by r square by 1 equal to r by 2 the whole square into 1 by r square. So r squared by 4 into 1 by r square. R square cancel. 1 by 4 equal to 1 is to 4. Therefore 1 is to, the answer is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. That's all.